What's up, everyone? I'm here in San Francisco's Chinatown, and I'm going to order some cookies from the Mee Mee Bakery. They're known for their cow ear cookies, and before the pandemic, they limited the cookies to 2 packages a person. But I've heard these cookies are pretty addicting. Let's go and check it out. These aren't the cow ear cookies, but they have other stuff. Coin cookies, mixed fortune cookies, almond cookies, seaweed coin cookies. They even have like fish cookies and zodiac cookies. Look at this. They even bake moon cakes, pineapple moon cake, white lotus. Alright, I'm back in New York. I have the cow ears from Mee Mee. They're very unique. Let's open it up and I will show you what it looks like. They're all intact. There's a reason why they call it a cow ear, because it's all wavy. It's a firm cracker. Here we go. Extremely crunchy and has a great aftertaste. It's wow, I could eat these all the time. It's like potato chips but crunchier, and it doesn't have that potato chip feeling. Like, it feels healthy. Man, where are all these crackers all my life? I want to order some more now. Thank goodness I picked up a few in San Francisco, but once it runs out, that's it. But Mee Mee Bakery in San Francisco, 2 thumbs up for their cow ear.